Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move. Alex Steele, Paul Sweeney, we're joined now by Bloomberg's Anitza Sakova. Are you taking a look at Boeing? That stock up 0.7%.
Yeah, it was a much bigger gain early in trading, but Boeing, ticker BA, had a really strong start of the day. Of course, markets are selling off now, so that's definitely dragging. But it's coming on back of an upgrade from Bank of America, which upgraded it to buy. And actually, currently, their target price is the highest on the street. We're talking about $260 price tag. Bank of America Securities upgraded the stock, and they actually see it as a very interesting to benefiting from all the trade war. The analyst wrote that the company's aircraft emerged as favored trade tool for Trump administration. They mentioned a few examples, including the deal with Qatar Airways and also China ending their ban on airlines taking deliveries from Boeing. And clearly, this is one winner emerging. We had earlier this year Boeing winning this contract from the government. There are also some fundamental reasons in the note. They're quoting progress in stabilizing production. And overall, this is boosting the stock. The stock is up 20% year to date, which, as we remember, last year was pretty rough. So quite a revival there.
It's all about deliveries of the 737. That's what George Ferguson told me, and that drives the cash flow. So hopefully they can continue to ramp up production there. How about Moderna?
Yeah, another move higher on vaccines. Obviously, those stocks have been very volatile. They had about 5% jump in early in trading. Now we're seeing about 2%. This comes after the drugmaker won FDA approval for its second generation COVID vaccines. So two groups, adults over 65 and anyone over 60 who has at least one risk factor for severe disease. It's interesting that initially the reaction was very positive, and we see that some of the analysts are weighing on this, that maybe it's not that big of an improvement. For example, William Blair says the approval is incremental win for Moderna, and obviously with Robert F. Kennedy in the administration, there is a lot of obstacles for vaccine makers. And also they say does not see the approval of new vaccine as a massive boost to sales, which obviously is important. That said, people were prepared for way worse developments for vaccines, and so far we're seeing some positive lights there. So we've seen a lot of jumps up and obviously some retracements, some volatility down as well.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.